I'm going to talk about this underground wire locator which I bought online. To start, I want to say that there are two models, Pro and the non-Pro version. The difference between the two is how deep they can detect, how long a wire they can detect from, and the Pro model has a rechargeable battery. There are two pieces that are used with this wire locator: a receiver and a transmitter. The transmitter's going to connect to a piece of wire that's completely cut off from all electrical sources. The receiver is going to be what you use to walk around your yard or wherever you have your wire to try to locate where the break is. What I'm doing here is I'm taking the red lead from the transmitter and I'm going to plug it in to a piece of broken wire. This is a piece of boundary wire for an Automower. Normally this would be underground and connected in a loop, but before I bought this detector I had a guess on where the break was and I started digging and I broke the wire. Here I didn't find the actual breaking point, but right here is where I added a new break. For purposes of this demonstration, this is where I'm going to connect the lead. Once I have the lead connected, I'm going to switch the transmitter to cable scan. There's a power light that goes on to let us know it's working. The receiver has this long probe that's going to detect the signal transmitted over the wire from the transmitter. You're going to use a headphone jack, which is going to emit a sound to let you know if it's receiving the signal. I'm going to demonstrate this now. You can probably hear the sound over the headphone. I found the area where I think the break is. Right here we can still hear the buzzing sound. But it's starting to get quieter as I scan over in this direction, leading me to believe that the break is somewhere around here. The only thing to do now at this point is to get a shovel and see if I can find out where the wire's broken, and then patch it.